Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Mom's Artistry. Hope you all are doing well. In this video, I will show you how to make your own DIY labels with packing tape to totally organize your pantry. It is an easy and inexpensive way to make your pantry more beautiful. Let's start. First thing, you will need to type out your words for labels. Take a printout of that and cut off your words. Take a packing tape and place it over your words. Here I used clear tape. Then take a card and press hard to rub it into the tape. This is the most important step. After rubbing, cut off the excess tape on the sides. Now, drop it into a bowl of water. Let the label sit in the water for 1 minute to loosen the paper. Once the label is saturated, just rub off all the paper backing. Rub it neatly. After rubbing all the paper, you will be left with just the text. See, only the sugar is left in the tape. Let the label dry completely. It will return to its sticky state, and you will be able to attach it to anything. Here I am attaching it to a glass container. hope you all liked the video. Thank you for watching.